So guys, my landlord has said I should downsize my collection. So the whole rainforest compound vibe, he's not feeling it. And in retrospect, I actually do get where he's coming from. So no hard feelings. This is not something I can do by myself. So I invited my home girl and a fellow plant icon, Esther Damu, to come and help me. I shall bribed her with food cooked by Chef Plant Boy. This is how excited people become when you give them free food in Tinubu's economy. Anyways, it was time for us to begin. The first itinerary is to remove all the plants in this shelf, and in fact this entire corner, because we are moving it into my veranda. So we went to walk removing plants. At this point things were still easy and we're feeling ourselves, we're feeling funky, but keep watching. Well, I don't know whether Esther has not seen hosts before. Auntie, don't do OT2 big way, don't do. This is me also rescuing her from this window. So people, this is what you go through in life. You need to be ultra utilizing this veranda because the landlord does not have any issues with plants in the veranda. It's just the plants taking over the entire place. Again, we're still feeling funky at this point. Too bad, bitch. The goal is to clear out as much plants as I can. Do some to my garden outside. Just make the entire place feel less imposing. Because after all, it is a shared compound. So yeah, like I'm a reasonable tenant. I understand. At this point, Auntie Esther was beginning to give up. I told her, Auntie, if you want free plants, better I'll go to work. If you want free plants in this economy, you have to work for it, my child. While we were clearing plants, we saw Organiru the frog, or is this Organis? But kids also came to say hi. At this point, Auntie Esther was overheating. I gave her fan to cool down. When we were moving plants, at this point, I began to ask myself, when I was buying all these plants, was I under a spell? We went from two bad bitches to two exhausted bitches. But there was still more work to be done. At this point, Auntie Esther said she can't do it anymore. I had to continue with the rest of the work. I cleared out this place by myself. Just a reminder, this is how this place looked like before. A jungle, a cute jungle, and this is how it looks like now. But don't worry, I still have a jungle. I've just moved it to my veranda away from the shared pathways. Rest assured, I still have a lot of plants, guys. I'm going to be putting up a lot of plants for sale, so check my stories on Instagram, which you can grab. See you later.